All right, how to cut an oil filter apart. This is an oil filter off the Crown Vic I'm working on. I want to see what kind of junk's in there. So take a pair of tin snips, cut the edge right here. Once it starts going, see, it'll just follow right around. Now this pair of tin snips has like little teeth on it, like little grippers, but you can do it with any type. I like the gripper ones a little better for something like this. These aren't particularly sharp, they're actually really old. Now it's going to make a mess when I pop it apart. There's still tons of oil in there. See, oil is dripping out. Get this out of the way. Okay, so you probably can't see it on the camera, but this is full of aluminum particles. Could be bearing material. This one's pretty nasty. Tells me the condition of that motor, which is not, it's not horrible. It's not good either. That particular car has a noise. I'm trying to figure it out, the engine noise. That's rooted in oil pressure problems. But it has oil pressure. So on to the next thing to try.